Dawson, what you got? You say truck? Say truck. Is he gonna go in the garage? Oh, you are. What? Watch your head. Oh, good job. Bye-bye. Where are you? Yeah? Hi. Are you using the doggy door? You want to put some rocks in your truck? You just want to take it for a walk? Oh, there it goes. Hold on, you're going to get the rope wrapped around it. Yeah. Uh-oh is right. Uh-oh. There. Here you go. Got it? Okay, bye-bye. Hi. Coming back. Good job figuring that out. Come on back. No, no pull mommy's flowers. No pull. Does it smell good? Smell? No eat. No, we don't eat. Yuck. Yuck. Is it hot? Dawson. Is it hot? No, it's not hot. I'm trying to get you to say hot. No more. No. No. Don't pull my flowers. I see you doing that. Hey, Dawson. You little turkey. I see you laughing about that. Yes, I do.